How's it going, guys? We got another project here. This is a 2014 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. As you guys can see, there is some damage here, right here in this front left corner. We also got some frame damage here. This piece right here is bent, and also the skid plate. And I'm pretty sure we got some suspension damage because it looks like whatever hit over there touched that piece of the control arm. It does have these 2020 TRD Pro wheels on it. Now moving on to the back, we have a damaged tail light here. It's got some tape over it. The tailgate is not in the best shape. This does have the 6-foot bend and it's in pretty good shape, so. Now let's take a look inside and see what other hidden damage we have. The engine bay looks pretty clean, so that's a good sign. And now as for the headlight, we do have a broken bracket there on the bottom, and it looks like the grill popped out right here, so we're gonna have to get some new headlights. Now let's take a look inside and see what we got in here. Pretty clean interior. Whoever had this truck before had nice floor mats and kept it pretty clean for us, so that's a good thing. Luckily the airbags were not blown, so we're not gonna have to deal with that on this truck. The seat belts are good. There are no airbag lights or anything. Let's go ahead and start this thing up. Now this thing was pretty clean to begin with, so here's a little glimpse of the interior. Now for our buttons, we just have the traction control off and RSCA, and then we have this AC, power, and fog lights. So there it is, guys. This is all the damage on the truck, and we're going to jump right in to get this thing repaired. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. We greatly appreciate your guys' support. Thank you.